Can you change a receiver's name after sending money via Western Union? This is a common question that many people ask when they realize they've made an error in the recipient information. The answer is generally no. Western Union does not allow direct changes to the receiver's name once a money transfer has been sent. This restriction exists because Western Union has implemented strict policies to ensure the security and integrity of money transfers. These policies are designed to protect both senders and receivers from fraud and other financial crimes. There are three main reasons why Western Union restricts name changes after sending money. First, security and fraud prevention. Allowing name changes after sending could create opportunities for fraudsters to redirect money to unintended recipients. Second, anti-money laundering compliance. Financial institutions must follow strict AML regulations that require consistent recipient identification throughout the transaction process. Third, regulatory requirements. Government regulations in many countries mandate that money transfer services maintain accurate records and prevent unauthorized modifications to transaction details. While the general rule is that names cannot be changed, there are some limited options available in certain circumstances. These alternatives can help resolve name-related issues, though they come with their own requirements and limitations. When you discover a name error in your Western Union transfer, you have limited but important options available. Your most reliable option is to cancel the original transaction if it hasn't been claimed yet, then send a new transfer with the correct recipient information. Keep in mind that cancellation fees and processing times of 1 to 3 business days typically apply to this option. For minor spelling errors, customer service may be able to help, but this option has limitations and requires the receiver to provide official identification. This option only works for obvious typos and has a success rate of about 45%, so it's not guaranteed. The best approach is prevention. Always double-check recipient information before sending your transfer. Use official identification documents as your reference for correct spelling and formatting. Different countries have varying name format requirements, so verify these before sending international transfers. Be aware of cultural naming conventions, as name order and formatting can vary significantly between cultures. When entering names, ensure you match the exact spelling and format from official documents. Pay attention to the required name components for your destination. Remember, prevention is always better than correction. Take time to verify all information carefully before completing your Western Union transfer.